Hello all you YouTubers, this is the Zion Zeus with YourDivineRoots.com. So my last video ran out a little bit of time, so I decided to have a look at the planet Mercury and have a little scope into it and see, could that have been the anomaly that popped up in my last video. Maybe it could definitely be. The planet Mercury is the closest planet to our sun and is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is named after a Roman god. Let's have a look at some facts about it. Diameter is 4,878 kilometers. That's about 3,032 miles at its equator, which is about 2/5 of Earth's diameter. Temperature, I guess we don't know. Orbit, 57,910,000 kilometers, which is about 0.3 AU from the sun. We are 1 AU from the sun, which is 1 astronomical unit from the sun. And it looks like Mercury goes around the sun every 88 days. Okay, average distance is about 58 million kilometers, 36 million miles. Time to rotate, so this is how it rotates each year. So a year on Mercury is 58.6 days. Let's see, period of rotation, there we go, same thing. Orbit, surface, water, atmosphere. Mercury is dry, extremely hot, and almost airless. Planet Mercury is too small for its gravity to retain any significant atmosphere over long periods of time. The weak atmosphere contains hydrogen, helium, oxygen, sodium, calcium, and potassium. Due to the heat of the planet, the very thin atmosphere is blasted off its surface by the solar wind and quickly escapes into space. Mercury's atmosphere is constantly being replenished. Mercury does not have enough atmosphere to slow down meteoroids and burn them up by friction. The sun's rays are approximately 7 times as strong on Mercury as they are on the sun. The sun also appears about 2.5 times as large in Mercury's sky as is in the Earth, obviously because it's closer. Viewing, because of Mercury's size and image to the sun, the planet is often hard to see from Earth within a telescope. At certain times of the year, Mercury can be seen low in the western sky just after sunset. At other times it can be seen low in the eastern side just before sunrise. Okay, don't need to look at any of this. So again, we're looking at about 88 days around the sun basically for the orbit. So let's have a look at this. So what I did was, if you look up here in the corner here, January 1st, we'll go with the 1st here actually, and this changes the images of what's displayed. So January 1st 2001, these are my settings that I put in. We're looking at lasso C3 and the core 2. So all I'm going to do is progress up the years right now, and we're going to see if we can find Mercury. And again, we're looking at 88 days orbit around the sun. So I am the Zion Zeus with Your Divine Roots. My next radio show will be Wednesday 9 PM Pacific Standard Time on blogtalkradio.com, the Zion Zeus. Friend me up on Facebook, Zion Zeus. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow all my forthcoming videos that are coming up with the window that we are currently in. Okay, so let's have a look. 2002. So there's increased activity already on the sun. Here we go, a little bit more activity popping up here. And very interesting, all of a sudden we lose all sight in 2004 January. Maybe there was a solar problem. The sun looks a little bit different when it comes up. It looks red and angry. 2006. And then all of a sudden 2006 January, our whole look our whole observation has changed. Now a couple of things could have happened. Maybe the satellite got further into space, maybe it moved, who knows. Let's continue. 2007. And all of a sudden we have a lot of different things going on here. Look at this. We have this object that popped up in the end of the last video here. So here we are in January 1st. So we have 88 days orbit. So technically maybe it goes around like this. Let's have a look. Let's go 10 days. 10. It went from there to here. I don't think it went around the sun in 10 days. So it went from here to here. Let's go another 10 days. Let's go to the 20th. And is it possible it went from there to there to there? Maybe. Let's go to the 30th. So it doesn't come back around. It went from here to somewhere. It disappeared. Let's go to the 10th of February. And this is what happens. Intriguing. Look at that. It doesn't come back around. Okay, let's have a look at the 20th. Still not back. 30th. So now we're 40. This is our 50th day right here. Still not back around. 50th. Let's go to the 12th, which is 60 days now. Still nothing. We have a lot of strange things going on, but so that's 60 days. Let's go to the 70th. There's still no Mercury, so that object, wherever it is, could not be Mercury. So now we're at 70 days. Let's go to the 2nd, which is 80 days. And we have some strange blocked out images here. So there's 80 days. We go another 8 days. That's 88 days around the sun, if that was Mercury, the object that we were looking at the end of the last video and in this video. So that cannot be Mercury. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't seem to be Mercury. We're into April here. That's 88 days. So here's May. Doesn't come back. Let's go forward in time a little bit. 2009. Still no show up of it. Maybe we'll go forward a month. Let's see if we can find this object, if it pops back up. You have something going on over here. It's like a rip in space or something. I'm not too sure what that is. Let's go again, forward and again. So we have an object here again in July 2009. Okay. A lot of strange things happening here. So where'd it go? Okay, so we found it went the 10th. So there's the 10th. Where does it go? There's the 9th. So now it's moving this way. Where last time we saw it went from here to here and disappeared. Now it's moving this way. Let's see if we can find this thing. See how it moves. Okay. So it's actually moving towards the sun, or it's moving in this particular area. So last time we saw it was here and here. So now it's up here. See what happens on the 10th. It's definitely moving towards the sun. So see what happens on the 11th, 12th, 13th. Wow, look at that. That's crazy, huh? It's blacked out. 14th. Still blacked out. 15th. Still blacked out. 16th, and it comes back. Wow, what is up with this image? You have this whole crazy screen. So 3 days this whole screen went off or disappeared. Okay. Okay, so again we have this going on here too, and this. Let's go forward a little bit. And what is this coming in here? Wow, another blackout. Now it's here. 18th. Wow, look, it's just unbelievable. You have a cube in here for some reason. Yeah, let's go forward again. Wow, now it's very big there. Whatever this is, it's out getting bigger, and it looks like it's closer. So let's go to July 1st. It's not there. July 2nd, it's not there. And it's over there all of a sudden. It's going away from the camera. Now it's back in the camera. Wow. Wow, look at the whatever this is absolutely, it's out getting very, very close. Whatever this is, it's like a wingspan or something. It's amazing. Well, and there we have another blacked out thing again. Look at the size of that, folks. That's just huge, whatever that is. Take off the grid. So this particular object, wherever it is absolutely huge, folks. Look at this. Like it has those like wings or something. I don't know. And there's September 5th, right up to today. And I'm unable to locate it on any other camera, so there you have it. I'm not too sure if it's Mercury. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I'm not too sure. Again, I am the Zion Zeus with yourdivineroots.com. Go browse by there and check out the members section. I put up a forecast. Tune into my next radio show, which is Wednesday, September 7th at Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m.